Hello everyone, welcome back to Magnon India. Today I'm going to take you across to an exclusively designed apartment here in Embassy Lake Terraces. Let's have a tour inside.
Hi, I'm Rekha Shivkumar.
My name is Tarun. Welcome to our house. We were on the hunt for interior designers soon after we bought an apartment here in Bangalore. And we quickly identified Magnon as a very good interior design company through their website. And we decided to make a visit to their Karnataka showroom.
ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಕನಕಪುರ ಶೋರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪನೀರಾಜ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸೋಣ ಅಂತ.
So after our first visit, we were assigned Mr. Sendil as an interior designer for our project. Mr. Sendil, what was so good was he didn't just dive right into the interior designs and show us his designs. He made an effort to try and understand what we like, what we dislike. So he showed us a few 3D simulations and what the house could come out to look like. And we were quite impressed, and we had no hesitations with going with the production phase. So that's when Mr. Arunai came as the site manager, and I think they took around 3 months in making the 3D simulations a reality. And I must say that the house has come out to look like the 3D simulations, if not better. There are regular follow-ups and checkups from the interior designers, and they ask us if everything's as per our needs. If there's something additional that we require, they do cater to our needs. If there's something that's been damaged, they do always come back and repair it. So that's something that's really commendable.
ಕಿಚನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
So our requirements were very clear from the start. We wanted two kitchens, a wet kitchen and a dry kitchen. And Mr. Sendil, after understanding how we wanted it to look like, he made a perfect execution and gave us exactly what we needed. I would definitely recommend Magnon to anyone who's looking for any kind of interior work, and we know that you will be as satisfied as we have been. Thank you.
Have a good day.